Moving forward, after the fusers, there's another type of form in Beast Wars, which are transmetals. Transmetals are actually result of these forms exposed to quantum surge. Yung quantum surge is actually a destruction of the Vok Planet Buster. So, nung sumabog ang Vok Planet Buster, yung parang radiation ng quantum surge na yon has actually affected some of the Maximals. I am not sure the rationale bakit yung yung ibang Maximals is hindi nagkaroon ng transmetal form. And isang best example dito is si Rhinox. Wala siya ni isang transmetal form. If aware kayo kung anong reason bakit walang transmetal form si Rhinox, please do comment sa comment section ng video na to. So, merong actually two types ng transmetal, transmetal 1 and transmetal 2. I'm not sure, there are actually different instances for transmetal 2 to occur. Parang example is si Megatron. Ang reason ng transmetal 2 version niya is nag-fuse siya ng spark niya with Megatron, the G1 version, and si Optimus Primal. Ang reason ng pag-aaroon ng transmetal 2 version niya is naipag-fuse siya ng spark kay Optimus Prime. So, going back to my question earlier, bakit malalaki at bakit hindi fully animal form yung mga Beast Wars characters sa Rise of the Beast Transformers movie? Ang main theory ko is they are transmetal. That would actually make sense. Maaring nagkaroon ng quantum surge, sila Optimus, na-expose doon sa quantum surge na yon, and then lumaki sila, nag-evolve, and then became transmetal, and then they have these transmetal type of bodies. That will only be the reason I could think of regarding that. And hopefully, that's also the same reason that the movie will provide. Or, sana man lang, bigyan nila ng isang rational na reasoning behind that.